Sure, my Kazarangis, it's Hux, and we are back with another banger. Everybody's been asking me, Hux, can you watch Te Kapunga? Please watch Te Kapunga. Te Kapunga. Well, guess what? We're watching Te Kapunga. Wow. Let's just get straight into it, eh? Straight in. Look at how clean they are, gee. Oh! This is peak, G. The way that they're moving together, G. The way that they're moving together. They're not going like this, right? They're going like this. Here we go, more te te. Yo. This is tough, G. I'm not gonna lie, boring, but that's more tia G. But I don't usually like more tia like this, G. This is probably one of the very first more tia that I've seen like this that I'm actually like, I'm watching, I'm there. It's still boring, I'm not gonna lie. That's just more tia G. Next item. Some Puo Te Whike vibes. Shout out. Oh, cuz. That poi looks clean as a nice and simple action G, but moving in sync. Where did her poi go? Wait, am I tripping? Nah. Sorry G, you're getting pointed out. Or did you not grab it? Oh, it's still in the back. Oh, is it? I don't know. Gee, this is tough. Gee, look at that poi, G. Ooh. Poi, snappy, clean, simple actions, everybody in sync. Tane in the back, just doing the thing. Wasn't really watching them because it's the poi, but nonetheless, going hard. Gee, it sounded mean as G. Gee, imagine going onto the marae and it's like getting dark, G, and you're hearing this, G, and you're walking on, you're like, what's up? What's happening, G? What's about to happen? G, that's the vibes I'm getting, G. Anyway, next item. Yeah. Ooh, saxophone cuss. Ooh, snap, 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 snap. The boys. Yeah. Excuse me. The brother on the saxophone was just killing it. He's gonna be there for like the marae. G rocks up with the saxophone, just goes hard. G, everyone's like, yo, G, because he's the man. Sorry about it. This Kapa Haka Ropu is something else. Everyone's suggesting, shout out to yous, because yous weren't wrong. This is a good watch. Let's just keep it going. I don't want to keep talking. Now this is the talk of the town, G. This is the item that everybody's been talking about. Oh, here we go. Call outs. Yeah. Gee, the bro looks tough. Yeah. Gee, I love this, G. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's Momoto to Māori. Gee, this is tough. Oh. The bro's got a feather, yeah. He picked up the other bro's feather, yeah. "12 out of 10 haka, G. This is the type of haka that I like. When everyone's not robots. You see, at the start, G, one fella's jumping up in the air, one fella's out on the side going, "Doits." Everyone's doing their own thing, G. Someone's like crouched down. It's like, you don't have to do the same thing all the time, G. Everyone's got their own, steez. Chuck in your own steez. Robots are boring. This is what I'm talking about, G. Individuality, but at the same time, you know what I mean? Which makes this beautiful freaking... Wait, you know what I didn't mention? I also liked the fact that the wahine just, like, they just completely walked off the stage and just let the tane do them, G. You see a lot of rōpū, the wahine will be standing in the back and just, like, it's awkward as. It's awkward, G. Like, looking at the haka, and then in the background you just see, like, daydreaming, cuz. Anyway, yeah. This fella's a mean kai tatsuki, G. Why not go? I don't want it to end, bro. Why did it end so fast, bro? Bro, this is like my favorite ropu. Full stop in the story. Until I see otherwise, this is my favorite ropu. Te Kapunga. These are the type of performances that I want to see face to face, real life. G. I don't want to be sitting in the chair watching this. G. From a computer. I want to see performances like this, not other performances. I want to see performances like this. Honestly, Waitatira, I would have been crying. Cousin. I can't cry on camera, G. I can't do it. Conclusion. Peak. That's all I have to say. If you love Te Kapunga, drop it in the comments, G. Let me know. And if you think there's a Kapahaka ropu that you think can beat this one, tell me. It's the end of the video. Like the video if you like the video. If you don't, piss. Until next time. Churr.
And it's my bad, I be stressing, holding, wanting, searching. Cause I'ma never find another like you. Winning with the team and it feels amazing. Let me see your hands, let me hear your praise.